Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google search history. So you have a lot of search history on Google, which no one can see, so the best way is to delete your search history, and I will show you how to do that. Just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, open your Google browser on your device. Next, we need to tapping on this 3 dot in the top right corner. This will open the side menu. After that, go on History. Then, you are come on side with all your search history. Next, you can delete your search history one by one, but that process is long and boring, so I will show you a method how to delete multiple searches. Now go on, Clear Browsing Data. Now you are come on side, and you can select your browsing history, your cookies and site data, your cached images and files, or you can select all of this. And when you choose what you want to delete, you need to click on Clear Data in bottom right corner, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.